McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share.
McBrown's kitchen, a Diane pedo. McBrown's kitchen, a Marina so. Ampa Emrina so, Emrino and ye. Nanama McBrown made the McBrown's kitchen, bro and neso. Me pacho want to say, oh, ye dear, ye de yamiase, and ye na, ye nyabotre, na ene, McBrown's kitchen, ye shenye. All right? Good. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede me kwami jade na koba wase be bia ye tupe ye kose ya wate ase sanete enne so ye ba be no aduane oh god ye be ye efi aduane ye be ye aduane ankasa ntinya abotre na hwe me guess no de e be shock o watna ne krom cha nti no onim ye nti no choose say aduane no but enche meda na di McBrown's kitchen Diane pede me pacha munim se show yi aboafo adaroma yes me sponsors hey omuni wa maso be show high sense everyday prices for everyday people and high sense ebi ani and na me more royal feast makes every meal special. And so 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. What you say? And ooh, more jollof. Tasty Tom. Yes, good for you. Now we share busunya for me was spices from could be cry. McBrown's kitchen na me na mo make your research no. Me ko PSO, minazin. There were 4 different flavors. There were fish, jollof, beef and chicken. Inti na ko just ahwehwe minazin. McBrown's kitchen aduane pede. And I mean makon is simple pa. Me train you there as usual. Impact osu Lara Matwa impact. Menim every aligina ane matade ene me baby okumase na adwudwu me sa no Jiwa wa asafo ose me hu se na wo sneakers nti ma me ma o simple bi na efa ye show jiwa nyame nhyira pa but ene nyonyo so anyi yama me say obi amabo ne din bia no fa phone ne ko Instagram na check in mako na ma mani ate nti me pacho wo pe madam fo I mean you understand ni nyina account McBrown's kitchen ye dalapam fo so ase ye twa hu sesi aba ye beba no madam guest di achiro
mama we are coming home
honey isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
No.
Me find what?
Ane.
No police.
No arrest.
No arrest.
No yet.
Madam. I better say who?
Oh.
Hey.
Your friend me Madam Hyson.
Bye. Another people. Come on.
Any. Then I person where you can come. You were 1, you were 2, you were 3. Inti awade mensapa. You were in charge. On your must get go and you pay. Oh.
A 51st match, a copim 26th match. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Na kwajo king kon 1, 2 or 3. Madam Hisense, matete swa mamusei. What? Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be say, oh, na say ah. Daddy na mami go don kwadu ani grofo gusu bebrebe yi. I am in a zen. food spices. And no, yes, I drink in Yaman. We will chicken flavor, Menazen fish flavor, Menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Ababi as I would Menazen food spices. What do you wear? So what one day, so we had any of you will be a baby do it. And na school feeding for years, while every now we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any of his major customers.
Obia pade pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre. Enu nti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona mehwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also. McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede. Ebusuafo enne said the medical kasa munya abotre na monhwe show yin kopema wieye because me kan say me madam for me bra na oba be aduane no what no na ntan che inti no abrewana na pa inti na wo hwe ne megu a obe display ankasa McBrown's kitchen aduane pa ede and me guest or so special no or popular name bi but ba ko bi shadakam eno ne same Samuel ni di wo Bible hwe sanyum tuni we mi hu ni so nipada naturally we calm but so tie no nwumu a wo hwe mu aso e dwamanfo kakra wo hwe mu aso e brefo kakra wo hu bibia kakra so e romantic bibia wom ye toato na nwum so a Ghana fo e bedru from ha e be kwa twam America na asabe si Brazil na be wo mu si South Africa na wo hwe so be si Uganda na wa ba obedru Ghana na ta say ensign owo nwumu ankasa Mr. DJ let it flow we high sense papa. DJ, hold on. DJ, hey, Ghana for Mr. Mofofrana. Me Mofofro. DJ, my Mofofra. Some say me better to anyum no say. Let's go. Hey. Mr. Ofori. Yes, thank you, DJ. Thank you. Yes, Ghana for meaning Mr. Ofori. Kwame Samuel Ofori Amponsah. And then me no be no aduane wo McBrown's kitchen. Come on, mommy and friend DJ Shia. Pastor. Alewa. Yeah, DJ mama nyom.
What son them said them feeling no. Oh yeah, mama, me small baby.
We want
we saw comedy, see, because we know what's up, guessing if you're Jim. My main fan count say, be a woman, she am pretty proud one year. I'm on the self in the war, near what to war. We say that I'll be woman in the children.
Thank you. Shiva, you make me shiva. Come
oh, yeah, but metronome.
I love you.
I know me that.
Wow.
Now kitchen the F.
The kitchen F. Oh.
Just say what? So we be ya.
Na kwame, many tears how I wouldn't dada. Aye, to the madam for no. Aye, when in tear, I went to me madam for. And McBrown's kitchen na media 2 hours. Na me can do one dance here. Say enquire what you see ya. What's obey ye? I'm just say, wouldn't be anka won't choose. Yeah, the enquire. And the enquire. And they be a bunna.
We say me can you more motia say more nana bane eja bane so ati
yeah nana oh jaja kwada so
yes
mami chencha nana
yes so me be em sama ko nwen se bitimi aye
Omu nyi so obetumi ayen kwan.
Me cheche om kakra bi me che om ase na afi ya chem. Se me nwum edade na se me nkwan so.
Ebeye de.
Ebeye brutal.
Se onyum edade a na de se me nkwan so ebeye de.
Se me nya de testi tom kakra de tum. Na me de jene kakra wo no na me yere se me de two per two.
Kwa munim ne obeye wunim. Fatum a ye ni kan se enro yensa. Na ye mbe bobɔ niema a ye de ba be ye dia.
Ka obusam se ye aduane a ye se na me ma kyerɛ se ye ho yensa. Se de be ya efi bia ne keka obi wo nsa so ati ase.
Kwa me ene.
Ma me fa ma yi ne into hands.
Wow, me feel so metumi asisi wo se.
Be hygiene. Enti meko ayi ho. Na menya semina kakra.
Semina wa.
Bia na mapie.
Mami mi ama fe.
Oye ne sa.
No wa chim no. Kwa me ene na wo bai.
Me bon kwan tu. When say na me ma eco school, mo ko school no mo ba na me won kwan bi si no mo ba mo say we dey dada nkwan. Cause dada nkwan is different.
Dada nkwan is different ampa. Be me na ji a.
O dey you know na wa pipa wo saka kra
say be ya. Mama so me ho say me support o.
Wo be support me.
Nti mama mbo a.
Very nice.
Me support.
Oh don't quiet do. I'm here about don't cry. Ba be na bunu bi. Amana unse kwa me emu adwati.
Ni donya me wa be fa line we ye be siu.
What you say?
We ya dia.
So
oh don't cry do.
Oh don't cry de. Me ba be bon cry. Ama unse kwa me ni mu adu. Hey. Me record on to mama me wa answer me be fi melody ni kwa no me wie no. Right. Enti so ade I saw you the first. O ma me fa we na.
Come me a. Unse we ye ka mu ade yo. Inti Ghana fo nyina atiase be bia pese odi hye bia otumi le hye we are for ade
so ye be shadu na say the first thing I say ye ne say say mayen kwan no ready
na de say Ghana fo mo hwe ye din pa because ye be kyerɛkyerɛ niema de be ye abunabunu no inti no kwa memie so
bi so mame
ai said the udi kan hygiene asem no ni nyina kan ne abobɔ ne be bunu
kama so ade a ba be ye ne say ba be ye atosode ye friend atosode wo de onu atosode ne nkan ne
abunabunu ne ye be ye nti no eye kontomre kwan bobɔ ne man so e ho
na jene nti jene no e be fa jene miensa
ye di jene miensa na ye nkwan no
na ya mako no any too hot and also any too mild because fish and na mono kakra wo nti say wa makona nkoma bo so wudi na obo ede
ye we na kwa nsusu a
enso
na akakaduro
no obeba later
okay
because afi na me ba be yama we na ben na me blend ya na me de akakaduro no
mahu garlic na nka we be bisa say garlic ya de ye kontomre nkwa
krabi for
taste na
yemfa bebre
sa kaka and toast de eden ya e be represent a fresh one
so we are meet me the taste tom kakra bi too much na che say ama
o de be fa wona o ye be say hu method na o de be ye aduane but aside ya toast de no
we ya krantie we ya him
ni anam yes ni bi akante nkwan
na wo hwe me kwa America na me kwa America na me ko order akrantie na nkwala no so abro mo yom abrofo no mo mpa krantie na me de akrantie no ba afie no mo bebusa me se ede bi na me se akrantie mo de me na di bi
me ko to tun ko bi wo bi fie
na me se wunnim ade ede
ma me te me no spray
wow so ye de ko bi no be ko eyimu first because em fan chinentum
okay
because Kobe sometimes they're very salty so all the nchine eka ho a wan hwe ankwan ne ntimi
okay and na ye mehu amanene
na
oheneba wani ate
na enwa it's what we do ni say
na enwa
no ade e be ni say because of time make sure say the utu nwa na was steam nti we steam a enye ni nso no bebre wo ma ni nso no bebre e be troka nti ni nso no kakra bi now they see nchen enwa no because of your steam nti enwa no be accumulator nti e be steam when na the best steam nwa no
eno na wo ba be ye ha ho kra ye man kan wo de ye na ye hwe na ye board ye ne ye bunch so nti de edi kan ye den ye de atoso de no e koja so ene mame aha okay
we the right here
so ana ye no wa ya wuru ni nyina ho
ya wuru ho but me ka kire nkrofo de meye
okay
but already no ma wuru ho so de begu ye makono ade am yen se me fa makonu be 8 and 9 not too much yes and crofo be ti me fa makonu be 8 and 10
okay 8 or 10
when and too hot red and hotter than we
okay kwame yen no an we for bunch ne
okay
body no
right
inti no oh makonu ma disconnect back out for
right na me de adwo di wa na be friend kwa wonsusu na me de awo no ne man kwan mu ye de
inti abusia for sa mo hwe yen a ye di kan de konsusu a ene ye kontomre ne mekono asi jaso
pepe
nitinu ni a na yen kata so nti ye fi we ye be ye den me pese waduane wo de be 30 minutes na ye
okay, so see, I say we come on 20 minutes. I have media, but all the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, money need too much.
Okay.
It's a binia. You best you be any winning and I be blended.
Cause I fan kan we wonti na me dey dwa
okay.
Wo card ye wo be ye no anam se no.
Yes, as men kwan anya dey, we be ka se bia.
Ye ni nyina ye wo dia. En kwan dey be dey kwame.
We a friend of him from kwan. Onye won hina woni bi.
Sa. Inti no.
Okay, so
ya fa ye kwan susu a. Me fa ufufu ne tunsi ja so na se
se ade ameye ne se metimi kura hyase ede me nam no agum esanse maye me yi ne deda enwa no
okay
maye deda
nti ye nye nam ne ho adwuma se okay said de obeye no ho adwuma nti meye ni sei me hu method ade ba ite me se ni ye ama we na ebe hu ntem na we ya baha na we yes
we me de banchi no anase
banchi no nie
wonderful nti ade ameye ne se me de me kobi no
ebe tunsium
okay na
Ibrahim
edi be 5 minutes because of time nti na enchine na yede
I do so
a bit trem
okay enti na aka asami en guhuru kobi no ho na wow be ye
nti ka normally 25 minutes ade mamia enka me de betum be 1 hour ama ayina aye kakra se de be ya enchine no
ebe kofom Ghana for mo hu se de bra kwa me de ne kontomre ni ne kwansusa ene me kwa sija so bra kwa me ye next step
it is say the next step
mame for we nkra na how
next step be say ye be fa ye yi no ye nwa no nwa no ne de na na mami so
mi soja no
mi patron
okay
nwa no
maso enkwan ni ja no say
me patron ye de nwa be gum
okay
ensio kakra ngum
me mo ensio kakra
be nye too much
all right ensio ni ja ye bunu nkwan
ye bunu enwa no be gum
enwa ni come first okay mame boa
enwa no gum a ye ma ne nche too much
okay
ti be some few na ye de enwa no ho nsio no
wani ho nsio no
enso agum
right all right enwa no ene enwa no ho nsio ene nsio kakra bi ene edi kan akogya na so patwome
ti ade be ne se me twitwa me kobi no because I said me stimu a a bit
kobi no ebe ko hasisi a
of course
kobi
because I said taste eba siminum what I say
ene ofa be hokro wa ha
me twitwa me kobi no kakra
okay mami mawo
me dey to the big cry me dey tumsa
odi tumsa
said the be nkasa enko wo bi no
ene emfa tumsa
mami nyi ne nkasa no okay
we bon patan kwan
ai trouble
twa bon patan kwan bon pata for mo hwe ane modisia pa odisia na gina ya bon kwan no
enti ade gumwa me dey we back ebe kan wo said the be ya nchine ne taste no ebe
ko nwa ne ho
enti ebe
enti anwa no ne kobi no remix wo ho
remix wo ho
okay
na fe one mama Jenny right
mama nyima o mi nyina ni de opesa odi ye bia 3 ni nyina okay say ya
so I be ye de 2 no be steam na ye de 1 atom enkwan ne ba be ye no ne asan atwi ye de be
because okay mate me o method no so nya bad Ghana for mo hwe
enti
ye say ye be twitwa ba kwa me wana no wo ha o kitchen ni nti no me am here to support you
said the bear ne yam no be easy open so obetwitwa kakra de agum but ni na your friend put ogum hwe ogum ni na
ekwankwan se krom inside one saucepan
me de mienu na be ye ebe steam
Okay. So mama unsuo na ye na.
But you not too much. So the gene.
Ene dia.
Na fe akakadro no.
Okay.
And a garlic. In fact garlic need too much. Akakadro no say the be yam ontemunti no.
Na fe so pese ehihie kakra ni be mo nkwan no.
So what you say. E be to chama akakadro no.
Matia.
Na me dey aka we no.
Okay. Gene ne ho.
Right.
What's the garlic ne be fa kakra.
Garlic need too much for enkwana me yam.
Nti enfa be 2.
Be 2. See.
Okay.
Uchamu me no. Right.
Mayama.
Pepe. Now
they be blended.
Aka ho. Right. Now fe blend the mame.
All right. Into so the oil later later on.
Right. Tomatoes.
Yeah. We high sense. Any part in Sakura would ya gra.
Na ya mami bi. Ami fan kofi na me fan mo aduane kaka.
Oh sir.
You say am yo sujani. Me nya me high sense bi anaga.
Uko fa samabo.
Oh, I am pa.
We say you sujani.
Ai nana.
Into worry.
Nana. So we
worry.
And na say na me bon kwan wi a.
Ghana for we dey Ofori Amponsah so worry you.
Okay, so na enya ye no.
Inti ya blende.
A blend we no.
We na we inti no be ye dan say.
Ye de be gu we no.
Ye de be gu.
Ye de be gu.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Ye ko enkwana so. Me pa chama mu room, mami room kakra na.
Eno ka de we ka say ye.
Eye o. E ma de ma ne nkokwa e be room.
Ni nyina be san bam because me san blend other things into stuff others the same thing.
Okay, and that means me kata so si wa. The same.
See, man be a few ye man nye too much. Ye man nye too much. Na ye we no. Na afia nka se na ye di we no. E be dey.
Inte say ye we no ehu fa so a.
Ehu fa so a na ye yi. Nti ye yi a ko bi ni say sometimes e be hono.
Pese e be hono. Okay.
O ma me sa taste ni kakra bi a. Na ma yi enwa no so sa na ma yi asi nchen.
Okay.
Na fe na me de me nam no. Ene akrantie ne papa no ebe dey.
Ebe bon kwan na kasa.
Ma horo me tomatoes no ho.
Bibia. Ghana for when study now we yes different formula of ebunabuno. Yes, from bompata. Mami Sophie bompata.
Oh yes.
Asante achim.
Asante achim.
Wow, and quine sent them TV wa Ghana for sente. Ajika yimu papa. Na say Black women kwine someone who formula they started. Say no or yes nam no hu kakra ye be yi. They say ehu.
Enti mami kwankra no.
Mama
Kwankra.
Ai. Kwame na ene de kwankra na rubber we.
Say kwankra.
Ene de ye rubber.
Right.
Inti ye be yi de.
I say me yi kobi no. Ene nwa no.
Ye be yi kobi ne nwa no.
Me yi kobi ne nwa no.
Okay. Efrim.
Nwa no e been too much a. Baby na emre
enye de
say grow
o say wo hwe nwa ye grow eh ma enna baby yo ne say
it is say ma wie
ye wie we
afi na me de me nam na nkasa
okay
ebegu ho
afi na ya horo nam na krantie no emman
adwene ye de begu mu na chese ono nso enya odani bia nsan na ye de so ati ase
I got
they say I feel when you be tasty jane no
omu be koma ko fili jane no
of course
na te say
ma hopo hunde da
ya hwe bibia on da krantie papa hwe ye nkwan yi be ye de McBrown's kitchen
e asante
achim o bompata krantie pa ebusuafo me pacho ma steady ama me mo hwe nkwan no obia wo said you see yan nkwan intimi so no McBrown's kitchen ye bota ene say ye de Ghana nuane a ye nuane e be kire mo na sebe odi onim ye no wasua bibia wa onim ye so wa hu formula foforo inti no akrantie no adwene no ene amane no akọ jene ne ginger ne garlic na ye de steamy kobi ne enwa no na said enwa no brakwa America no enye mrenti no yiyi any kobi no mumbo half time one chain.
Right.
Yeah. They say dey bibia comfortable.
Me dey babeka ho tomatoes na kai no. Me huru tomatoes ho dey that. And away no.
Okay.
Me say and also or second part.
All right. We no be
4, not too much.
Yee.
Me gumno almost embene kakra.
Hey. Wow.
What you saying no? But me nyamfa me yi no kura enka ho. Because say me man was tetene de na nka is no man ni. By na mrem no. Ayi your friend say different.
Minazen. O person man no taste foforo bi kan ho.
Foforo bi kakra.
Okay.
Ti e be yi ba ko.
Yenyi de ya fish de yenyi fish one.
Fish one.
Minazen e spices I wo dwa so a. E de pa
me man no spice no. Not too much. Right. And no that into no the other big gum.
What's your name? Okay. Timinas and fish one because you used to
more
fish in the morning. Crab na ko bi no once you know.
Not just what tasty. Fine.
Asem na no ye ne ka. Tibra kwame. Mami we no we na de be no aduane nti we ni ye.
O hwe no so enfunsuo no. Eni se wo ye da wo hwe gu.
Mami hwe enfunsuo ni wo.
And only the big goon quinum.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The bear to Sudia, no, the morning, impurities.
And I just share why they are not for or bunch in you.
Vitamins in a day. Very many. What I say?
Word, dear, name. Black one is over to the precursor, no, to
precursor, ama tasting. Abamnamedia won't coin of me bunch, and so I say, ready, Namidra.
It is a precursor,
and family.
Your family, no.
Want to my name shake.
Nemkrumaye.
Nkrumano so be komene prekese
Where did you on in a way?
Where the minute we?
Good, many hot time, bad.
In the bunch and me body no na. When you egusu not to say.
Echo.
When you mean to my name.
Oh, don't try to bend. Johan.
Okay.
No burning for
anyway, any view.
Oh, say, guys,
stylish. Me brony be Cambro. Was it Ghana for me Cambro for almost me one bro for say. Me cheese who I'm saying then brony yo.
Brony ya. Ya to away.
Right.
If you be
sweet.
Wow.
Right.
Ya to your prekese no. E dia tum. Timindum dia
no. Anyway,
sent in the FTV Mudian and can could be a baby volume. I call 130 or be a baby high.
And say, say, answer me, you know, a common me bunch.
Me also name blending to your bunch. Maybe blend yama. And soon man, woo.
I had a big boom.
Won't say, blender nimu. Yeah.
You know,
because
they're the same.
The same. Sabe, ye meko. Ene ye kwa unsu so a nyina ekom pension no amfa ngwana ajo
pension hey man kan yi
oh it's all right pension go my okay
so adia me say na ayi dem because of time won say tomatoes no dey meet me the tomatoes no afra
na blend na once
na si
bra kwa me wo bai
enti no me dig e kan ho ana che say
okay.
Maybe.
Inti
tomatoes, no.
Wow, inti sabre no ye ba be blending ye kontomre kwansu so meko ana toast ni jene na mu se dia bonam na sem ni nyina emrenti no at once by force immediately
yo na ese menya bidu so medwa banche no
o say
medwa banche no ma hohoro ho and some
pacho insuoni
akọ ayinu
pacho insuoni
banche no we dey work say we twintwam kakra e ka so we twintwam na say we is skinny e dey bi o e sa na me didi atem e pacho banche na twitwo ni skin
banche ni skinny na say no honam na touch ni light
e bi o how the bom say ya na we ni say ya na we enu asante atom dey no we wutimi say e sra izu ana
ye dia no sra so wow. Said the iron there, you be konkwan ni mu so the yen so ne so yen and you be blending ye kaka. Na Mr. DJ, me ni Mr. Ofori na wa ha. Na nyom doso. Adent no say haye din kwame.
Look at say. She, Nana. Hey, I'm one mama kai pao. I mean I'm review.
In a mix.
Collaborate and listen.
How many?
Asa ya sakakra.
Utobiase na me hunu. Utobiase na me siano.
Wow. Kwabi, unyum de nye TV so aka maybe say so wo drama for kakra.
Oh, Debbie.
Then we are na ochro.
Me say romantic and so.
Sir, what try say obaya ba.
But say me nya oba. What done na me dwabo de ne banche no. Ono kura da no kana me wo fufu no.
Ah, bia no ban so pese ka ba dan nchen.
Oh, Debbie no me romance.
Romance
no. Me banche e dwabo de. But anyway, so we are at here. But say,
Mame, obi obenya na kan kunu nim sika mu sokra kakra de bo. Mema bebre no so hye kra de dem.
Oh,
omu no so hye na da ne aba.
Oh.
Enti enya ne say akepe.
Banku kra metimi aka banku ahye yi aka banku ni nkruma ma osesi ya.
Ye wurade a. Ya blend ya wia. Sa.
The bunch no so I ready kra.
On se kwa nsusa ni ntino. Yen so ne so ntime pese ekomu pa. Enkwa with the original soup.
Right.
It is a sabre kwame. Where we ha. Akabode ntime huru we ngo mebwa. Ai. Hey. Ha. Unim Ghana for there's no way be kwa capella. Kwame unyum dos me hunia me. Yemo dear crown from above from me.
Oh.
Na my deni
me see.
Oda wejame wasia. Oda wejame okom osioko.
Na obeba
Da bem.
Onfasienyo.
Osioko. Na obeba.
Onfasienyo. Bo mindie. Yes, I'm dear, boo.
Sama wakano no.
Where's I have a man, dear boo?
Bo mindie. Oh, yes, I'm dear, boo. Me come be as me, come be as.
So,
where the offer you boss for?
One day, I say,
look at you, I just have a dictionary. I said, one who near maybe na. Trese.
Na sa no so na ya na ede e body no be me kuma no late
so until they say fufu na ikoja so
right
na ya wie fufu na si ya na ya wie nkuma de aka almost done
right
wow
see me de nkuma
no ebekom me so me yiyi ha amount na say ya wie o
I me say yen kwan no obekom
afa na ye be hye nkwan na yi ye ni abon komo
be 5 minutes eno no ye wi
okay intina ne nkwan no eni bese mi hu sa abani nyina
oh don't think me no akia with you oh don't think me no but me na akia with you okay.
Some Rochester.
Because of me you know, say me okay, so me kwan be kum.
Enyum de unim to nyame de achel. Obi atan kro ntimi nyi influence.
Me da se. So we abunabunu no. Straight.
Nice o abunabunu no. Enya current abunabunu we ye kurase de na.
We original.
Me ka kurase enya kurase say kurase de no a aduane ne hu bibia ko kwame ye.
Ha fa kakaka ho. Say de be enye take too much.
Okay, me ye ni say. Because kwano ahode ni nyina ye nja ba akokora kwan ye je ni nyina wom ewo ha McBrown's kitchen aduane pede hey kitchen hide kwam ye remix ni ye no star bia bi na still ye bunabunu kwan so ama sabre de ha ye hwam ye bonyum de but ye no aduane enu ti na McBrown's kitchen ya to akwami kwame sabre de o se sue banche
enkwana be banche no so
me sue ma
me pacho ai
okay nti nkwan so aye de se aka wonnam
nkwan me loan kakra aka me de nam no ebe de ebe wo no se de be aka obi na enhu no nti se yenko fufu no so na ye start fufu na
yeah shime okay mami num no
na me mo asante achim de
oba mami asante achim de wow kwame na ne wodro ni o pejabra wodro ni pejabra
me sense you kakra na me de ahokum
okay
Said the bay.
Come in for woman, mamma.
It's a woman also.
We're gonna for a Kwame ne ama fufu ne ye.
Ebedi a waka ho.
Ebedi waka. Mami uru wo mana no ma wa.
Mami fa odo no.
Ai, fesi ano ho. Fesi ano nene.
Ebe nkofo mo se.
Wow, never akonya ni si nchen.
Hey.
Ai.
Stool ya save ni asan go be.
Trede stool ya. Afeji a. Je. Mede. Ediane na eba.
Okay. The better home, sir. So,
Tina say I made a bro. So, Ubedi Awaka.
I am media.
And Tina say,
the many of beans of Bells are.
oh, there's that Mabajo.
Mate.
Before that, and Chin Yoke, BBI, okay.
And Chin, my man.
Overcarry.
I mean, can't.
Okay. Can't. And Chin saw the infant kakra. Ebi na wo wachi. But when e be come time ben.
When be come
last cry. Ko be na nchin so ho nti hu geji ho.
Me geji.
All right.
Nti mama spoon kitchen.
Any. Ko be na nchin no ye be geji. Ye careful nchin na ye fa na sisi. Okay.
Nti no.
Are you okay? And Chini, okay, all right. Okay. Good. It's Sabre, Yanfan Kunquan.
Say, who crack.
Yanfan Kunquan. Wow, I will say, for say, dear. Fufu. I feel near Druso. I wait, one pata fufu pa. Then never confess.
It is a bell body and face.
A bell body and face. I said, what do you know Togo now? So you know what?
Right, it's a bell body and face.
Inti say na odi awaka ofie.
Say
why ade why be. Enkwan no so no. Ko bi no ne nwa no aka kakra bi ne de begum. Wow. Abusiafo. Nya ye de mame mo akakra na. Ni tum. Ni tum. Bra kwame. Dia me baba be so mu a. Wa abusiafo. Baby adru de yen kwan aye ready an sa ka say enwa ani ko bi be ko inside fufu nso na guso no ye twa hu sesi aba McBrown's kitchen ediane pede baba fufu yen kwa ka mo nso ye what say pim
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
No.
Me find what?
Ane.
No police.
No arrest.
No arrest.
No yet.
Madam. I better say who?
Oh.
Hey.
Your friend me Madam Hyson.
Why? Another people. Come on.
Any. Then I person where you can come. You were 1, you were 2, you were 3. Inti I want to you better in charge. When you must get to go and you pay.
A 51st match, I come him 26th match. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Na kwajo king kon 1, 2 or 3. Madam Hisense, matete swama musay. What? Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be say, oh, na say na dia na mami go don kwadu ani krofo gusu bebrebe yi. I am in a zen. I have food spices. And no na yes a trick ni nyina ma. We hwa I chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Ababi as a wood menazen food spices. What dey we do ani a? Say wo to ade say we aduane wo fie wo bia be do aduane. I drink sa. Na school feeding for ye nkwala di. Na mu bia o ma filia. Men and Zen will be any hobbies, my customers. What is
Obia Padipa Bibri.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia yema mebusua no me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use tasty tom enriched tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also. McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede ampa, ediane pede ampa. Me say me come McBrown's kitchen just mama say ediane pede. I am paso, mama. Ediane say ediane pede ediane boni de wood dia bon so trim ko for. E was say ediane me de we
we say me pentem kwa room so.
O pentem ara. Kwam ogro mama ya. Ogro kama me tum da ho. I was avo asete. Inti ebedi fufu ene ebunebunu. But munim say McBrown's kitchen there yemfa ye guest endi agrokra. Nen quiet is a legend to pass say. Uncle Sapida. Me sponsors adwen ho say the guest ebe kire aduane foforo say de bra kwame ne wa maye ebunebunu different method yi. Ono so uncle sa wa kire bibi de ebe man bi. Exchange is no robbery. Inti no kwame osabro boto nyumbi. Eje number 1 ne McBrown ni ewe.
Wow.
90 omega-3 sunflower oil.
Wow.
Anwa papa ewo dwaso no.
So sunflower pan so na me pe.
Wow, yenye yo. Bobo anamba do eh.
Hey. Ne no be mo kwa mo ehwam.
Hey.
Me kwa me sand akobot.
Hey. Wait. You see.
We nyina ye dia.
We royal feast. Royal feast mo papa no.
Oh.
Kwame. Unkwada.
We want
it makes every meal special. Royal feast. Na yewi a we dia miami die mu a. Tasty Tom. Tasty Tom. Good for you. More jollof.
Because and then na me imagine say me jollof.
Sao.
Nka say me kwa ko tasty Tom. E na wasan ya ma me tasty.
E me masa ma wo mo. Na me nwie yo Kwame. Oba high sense. Chopper.
Come on here TV.
Come on here TV.
Anyway, the way start into a veggie TV.
Me pacho high sense. We dey anya mia o. Me pacho ya se mo mani ye TV aka me papa. Mo mani ye TV mami o.
Ma share program no on it.
On it uza. Me pacho kwa me nwie yo. Me nwie kra. Eniema 1 2 3 4 he. For am dey amawi. Me nwie ye. Me was surprised for. Spices foforo wo dwaso ni. Minazin.
Nana, we ain't na mama nware no.
We
come nya me spices dey am da ware.
Aka me bisa so le say we dey coffee a oba be na ekọ no nware.
Me am ma de.
Wa ware.
Me am ma de, minazin me de be ye nkwan.
Obey nkwan be ye jollof, be ye stew. Bibia flavors your beef, your fish, your chicken, your jollof one. Intino. Eniema nyina your order. Me am so me wo cup. I mean chokru wa ba.
Oh, we dey me de be kwa share me cupboard.
Sawa.
Say the be ya me fe wa na ma hwe.
O fe me ana wa hwe me nim so da ho me din so wa.
Oh, ba ka
na kitchen na.
Kitchen we kun some onye jealous.
Mama kan che o se me kan che Max say mo onye jealous.
Because we dey me hwe picture na keke.
O be wow. Acha de nyina Kwame ye wodia.
Na me da se.
Hi. Royal Feast, Tasty Tom, High Sense, Nice, and the Minazin Spices. And sana McBrown's Kitchen. Ye crew wa de num tea. Intino.
We dey num tea biara na ma papa na me da akoshe ka.
Na unsa. But sa ready the down deal the down internet.
Me fan. Oh, me bomb price a bed.
Mami jana kwa.
What's in the sense about to say?
What's the bed dan kasa. I was afọ. Wani be wuke na so nansi wada pa. Ye gusu.
Me nya fe na me di fufuru na fe.
Trese ye gusu.
Aba ka say me sound bi ya.
Me ma we ha won ewurade.
Ko bi no mabu no mu no. Na trust no kon.
I can't tell you there. I'm not. Where they can't come into me.
I didn't try. I can't tell.
Wow.
Oh, dear back, me dear back.
I say, I come me that question, baby, not come me.
Naka was our bow name.
Oh, now my Jimmy goes to be so.
Hey, and then Crumano and Cruman. Where you trouble won't. You mean you be dear boom, you bet said your idea for you. I made a TV, my dear, to a man or winning me.
Hey.
Wow, road that
I think.
I was out. I had when you be can now, when I get Bammy. Wait, you can
see what do.
And you be with a foot way to one if you do. And even we are football to one yabi need.
Okay, Nana Tobo.
What's it?
Tobo, I can't be back.
Okay.
We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen, Pastor. Wow, even in the TV is ready, dear, but Didi. Wow, what bon quan so. I think I remember say one a year great on say Kobe into Mansa. Omo Buakra. Me ba focus inside focus inside.
We don't work as a human me. By one.
We a papa kwan.
We say me wow now say me san kwan ma wo nya me da.
David. 1 month one mo bi ajumi out. Me ba to me kan one na. What's the sound? I can sense what the papa. I sense what the Emon komo kakra.
The container so na.
Awe. Yes, a program as okay say woni yire. We are single. Woni yire kwame.
Nya nware.
Unya nware. Sa me tso aware so.
Oh yeah. I say dey ehu dey mathematics.
Anyway ne kei agronomy no wa na ediem refi. Na Musa make us and ye dan me ka bompata.
Right.
Ti a chem bompata. E ho na wo free. Na ba na onyini ye.
Ni wagogo. Mo.
Agogo mo.
Nti agogo ne bompata de. Ne nyina santi a chem kono wo hi o.
E kwan na so.
Nti da e free asante a chem bob male.
Refi sam liver free.
Na me wo fan so ne amachi dede. Insan relating.
It is a woman your mind. It shouldn't surprise you.
Relate
Okay,
bompata debia oba agogo oba.
They say who are Ghana have more na say utu kwan more because
na me fancy me wo Ghana 3 months maybe I'm in Germany more.
Okay.
Because you say nkola no for months.
Nkola no wa broche.
Yeah, na wa ko school ko kakra.
Now come say so kwa sorry be.
Me come me am sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, dey me sorry am wo mu na me ko.
Nti like e wa hen so that you be betumi a oba ba be sram.
E wo fan ko be me wo na.
Be bia wo na. Nti unja sorry no.
Oh, nana. And for share that name say me start sorry way back time me Ofori Amponsah na me kwa sorry o. Omo ka say bia na nsen ya na my imagine say bia mpese me dey. Me kwa sorry nti sa. A free tete. Before I stand me be Ofori Amponsah na kra na me kwa sorry.
Oh yes.
Nti me obi am kwa sorry. Yeah, I
wonyom to crash as if you are sorry them.
I sorry them. Nti me kwa sorry. Na duane na person beat me.
Na me because I show no my confuse.
Duane say yes pa say. Okay, screen so nka me say ni nyina ko. Bye na.
Gana pede. Na obia ni wa o Ghana obeka to ni mo Ofori Amponsah.
Right.
Obia ni wa obeka to ni mo Ofori Amponsah. Ye ni mo nyom a wa bo Ojo Cinderella Rakia. Ye ni say obi be say patron. Oni patron shi ya be me ka patron oni pakro. Lumba.
Hey,
daddy. Dear. Obrempon nem.
That's about 1993.
No, she a patron.
You're right.
1993.
That time I was secondary school.
Okay.
Right. And see, that time no class no be boy me. So you started all that stuff in 1993.
Yeah. Okay, na sanka wanye enyum to a. E na wa ni so for so a. Adwuma be na nka be.
Me obi am very intelligent. Most of the time when I go for drinks beer. No obi say I'm a can bro pa then me tell you mam ka want bro fo. I'm sua bro fo yi pa.
Me dia do.
Me dey call upper 6 kra. Me upper 6 at the university. Na.
Ujai school 1 to asubio.
School nya dey anaka media.
Okay na ye den.
E me different school.
Hey, who kwa den?
Say na get bi o na to so. At that time me hu oba na to so kwa na metronym.
Ide no hu Moisha for Moisha to nyum.
I never did better nyum.
Moisha na Princess Chinge na Benedict Agafa.
Well, yeah,
but mama list no.
But all the same.
Two cus brucus for no.
Me to and me can say only some I told you my da. I told you my da pa.
Na na release here.
And once I told because en kamara nyina na ka me hwe but ba ko edi kan ti no.
E mari na sesai. Ba ko edi kan sesai.
Oh na o ya mama kan no TV so.
Nanka o person wa o baby no wa wari obi ana then I wa confuse me.
I say me a single. Na e man o mu yin se me feel o mu pa o.
Me say na feel me.
Oh yes I am next time maybe.
Debi onye feeling boni mu. Say the waje aboso. Waje aboso.
But nana unim say na we obi am me prowess pa. Apart from it's not.
And over you minim say we film so kakra me no ye Delilah. Yeah. Delilah, enyom no wa na boy you.
It's good.
And they dey movie. Me pa cho mo hwe ya mu de mu nya bi top o YouTube Delilah. Na me boy no. Ye ni me hu way
na
back.
Na papa no be jail.
Kwame, so anya no quick.
Ba o hwe Kofi a, o be ka say Kofi. Opa young girls o mu o fa te say wo.
Kofi me producer. Kofi ajolo.
What you say na need home my me book of no can dey kan ho.
Na o precise ben. O pe you young na
na me pe dey free akoma mu.
O pe dey free akoma.
Ba na me pe tuntum pa.
Tuntum pa. Oh okay.
Okay, o say I be me kan o ya mama reveal me yi. Me pe ma tuntum.
Ah wa chisun. Na esoro sun.
Enye necessary say na chisun na.
Ana ebi wa.
Oh, and also ya na addition.
We taste no spec ne dey on the kwame.
Me spec ne oba obema me nyansa say this is the way you have to go. Oba brain ho say.
Anybody.
It shouldn't be. Yeah, na body ni kan ho but not necessarily.
Until me body no spec medium and I so large. And XXX.
And then patch of my fan chance.
So because okay.
But tell about to be share SXS no feeling.
Suffer through temptation with the fancy here. Mama me tempted. Na nyum tom challenge be na winya.
I told you it will be incredible. If you say and the jealousy that comes around you doing what you want to do, you know, and no man stop actually something to you.
Sir,
yeah, because
and then we fan say talent our raise it to say to me and the omu be I mean, yeah, from what you are saying,
sometimes it's very difficult. I mean, who say, Papa is necessity. But sometimes I do. But maybe nyai papa yeda. But I will tell you say I know for ben woni and the major problem I be healthy way. It's a do sometimes I'm a throwing bar. But I told myself one day say me chrubi. And now yes say Ofori Amponsah one I was say way ba obeto nyum chen me David. I just told myself.
And so be yosofo.
No, as of some no kwade in me already. I want to be sincere in me. But only say time no so yet. Time no so. I mean I admire. And necessarily maybe I make dinner
There be say yen nyina ye preach we just say am share of what I didn't.
Of course. What we are doing preaching in itself. Teaching people something, you know. It's I know na me believe in.
Bra Kwame.
And quite a yasa.
There be a hanajo into the anyone ni nguso foforo ni wonsa. E futu be na adema young talented people on person we nyum.
I just so person we nyum you have to be yourself. You can go through your difficult times, but the difficult times, you know, I want all your music work. It's a man power when things are tough. Nothing, you know. Bibi kakra bi ade ha me ne se Ghana ha no. Ye nyomtofo ye ni pension pay. Nti nya bibi kakra bi na de ato baby. Na ma Nyankopon enya obotan. That's it.
Baby I am the pare. Ye ni pension pay.
Ye ni pension pay.
Sinifo anyomtofo ye ni pension pay.
It is a one
fa kakra nto ho sa abre ya. Ebedum mre bi no. Na akohwehwe obi. Ama na ma.
Yeah, na fi. Yeah, hospital. Near patch or say. Very sad.
I was for baby aduane na du no. Refuto no. Mejina so.
E be rap near there coffee nti.
Near there I by am finish we kwan aka de o de ja meja ma. Dem finish we. Ba munim dada. Say McBrown's kitchen there. Ha and aduane nyina aduane papa nyina ha na wo. And I had so aduane ped de. Medam was for. And I see kontomre nkwan different cry, no blue different cry. Na Bama na me mpesa me room say jaw. Na mum ye ne ahwefo nyina di bye sesia. Sabre de munim say o se me da aboafo ase ne de dwumade ba wieye. Still me sa what I say. Into the high sense for us say. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. And a tasty tom tomato mist ba ko pe wo dwa so vitamins and the fiber e womo. And some a royal feast rice. Ooh, it makes every meal special. And more would you be in the head so. Na 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. E wo just so ubenye be a to. And what the womb timpacho di mame pa to be mame ne di mame. And ne makachom se menya spices for crowd with just so. Dan kasa de fish ni gu nkwam. Kwamun say akakwo bi no wa ma bibia socket fan. Minazen. You were chicken, beef, jollof, and sana you were fish. I minazen and the CFF. Anya na just do de be ye no. Intimate damabwafo nyina ase. Na baby adri de fa phone. Ko Instagram and Facebook for phone. Okay, Instagram ye easier. Ko host see na bo Impact Salon. Ube hu omu etrinye di omu ya ade. Omu be ye otrinye tintin tieti akala bi ama. Ana manim Instagram wa hwehwe Aligina makeover. Alex na ye manimi kama yi. Ansa na matade esu free jiwa kumase asafo cement mu. Eho ena jiwa wo. Ya mi hiraw wadwudwu me kama. Ansa na sa wo ye wedding program bi a wo ya opesi edidi kakra wa ase de hwehwe nyonyo GH nyonyo Instagram ons wetim ho na La Palm Royal Beach Hotel La Palm Royal Beach medam ase Ghana for eden bi ona menka oh me domododo me ya domododo
ansa na me kono me say Wood Films Ofori Amponsah
ye de ba ho eni ansa na be ko Mr DJ wo so ma ba ko ne mfa nsan kwan let's go. Oh,
Mama, do me phone.
You ready? DJ Bubanyom no sa change. Ke fa one back. For one back.
One head on.
Oh, for one back.
And one me and head.
Me.
McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.